This wire here, it connects to the live of this one. So once I put this over here, it has to be turning on. So basically the switch is off, but there is power ready to be supplied because that bulb is connected to the neutral. That other side was connected to the neutral. Everyone, and in today's video we're going to be sharing about the location of our switches. Some people use their switches in the neutral line, and some people use their switches in the live line. So which one is the best option and which one is the recommended option, and what are the consequences? Are you one of the people that puts the switch in the live line? You can give us the reason as why, and those people who put in the neutral line, you can give us the reason as why. But the best reason I can say you're supposed to be locating your switch, always put your switch in the live line, because at least you're protecting the people, and as well you're protecting the equipment, because there is a lot of reasons as why you have to put your switch in the live line. Once you put the switch in the live line, you're protecting people that will come across the equipment when the switch is off. Take an example like here. I have my switch. Normally when I connect my circuit, I connect it in the way that when I'm connecting my control signals are always DC, because I have here a relay. I have a relay and I have a DC controlled switch. This one is the switch, and then I'm controlling this bulb and this one. So normally now this is DC, I can interface with it. 24 volts is not harmful to me, so I can use it to control the 240 volts, because you can see here we have 244, but I'm using 24 volts to control because I have a relay. I'm energizing the core of the relay. So these kinds of connections, they might be very complicated, but I have a simple solution for you. You're going to be seeing it on the screen. So take a look at this. I'm switching on the circuit, and then electricity is flowing into these two bulbs. But one of these bulbs, this one is connected in the neutral, like the switch is in the neutral, and here I'm switching it on via the live. So once I switch off, this is where the whole concept is. If you choose to switch this one via the neutral line, that means the live line is always going to be there. The live line is always going to be there. So if you come over here and you come with your tester, you test for electricity here, you can see. I don't know if you can see it very well, but I made it easy. This wire here, it connects to the live of this one. So once I put this over here, it has to be turning on. So basically the switch is off, but there is power ready to be supplied because that bulb is connected to the neutral. That other side was connected to the neutral. So what am I trying to imply? If you were this person, because always you're grounded, you're always connected to the earth. The earth is the best conductor we have. Always you're at zero potential. If you're connected to the earth and then you get into contact with the metallic part of this bulb, definitely you're going to be hit by electricity. No, because and the best thing is there is a switch that has switched off and on, because you can see on and off. But when you switch off, power still stays over there. You can see over here there is power, but when you get over here there is no power at all. So this is the difference. This is something I can illustrate over here to the people that have not understood much of this wiring, because I see it is really untidy for you guys to look at it, and then you're like, okay, this relay switch is wired like this because I have two channels. This is a 2-channel relay. It is a 2-channel relay, so I can power 2 circuits. That's why I'm powering this bulb over here, and I'm also powering this bulb over here. But you can take a look at this. So how it is going, I'm having 2 pumps over here, and one pump I'm choosing it to switch it on through the live, and one pump I'm choosing to switch it on through the neutral wire. So if this is the normal open for the relay, so, and this is our relay, how I'm connecting it, and again here we have the same symmetrical relay, but I'm choosing to control in different lines, live and neutral. So once we run this, you can really see, even before turning it on, power that is 230 volts is already at the pump. before it turns on. So definitely that means we take this bulb to be any person or anything that gets into contact with the bulb or the pump or anything and conducts electricity. Definitely is going to be conducting electricity, you see. So it is really not good. Actually, it is dangerous. But what we want, you can see when you switch on over here, the pump is going to run, and when you switch off or switch on over here, the pump is going to run. Literally, in good working conditions, all they are doing the same. All they are doing the same in the good working conditions. But in terms of when they are all off, and then there is anything that gets into contact with this thing, let it be a human being, you're not staying. I think depending also on the voltage levels, maybe 230 can give you a break in life, and maybe you come back to normal a little bit. But I don't advise. Electricity is something that we don't joke with. I myself, that's why I like turning on and off using an isolated circuit, because this one is 24 volts and I'm controlling the 230. That's why control signals, most of the times it is really safe, because there is isolation of the two circuits, the power circuit and then the controlling circuit. You can touch these wires over here because they are 24 volts compared to the 230 volts AC. So hope this video has been helpful to you to distinguish between controlling the circuit or pressing, where to press the switch, why we press the switch inside the line of live, not the line of neutral, and again the consequences of switching on via the neutral other than switching on via the live. So if you have ever experienced that, or if you have ever done that, or if you have not done it, then you preach it to the world like they should not do it. Thank you.